I'm going to be hiding weed and lighters around the city of San Bernardino and Riverside. And I'm going to be recording the places where I post them. I'm going to be having eighths, quarters, half an ounces, and ounces around the city. And I will be posting it. I feel like this is a good way to grow my followers on Instagram. And I feel like this is a good way to get me a lot of views and stuff like that, and just communicate with the community. And I will be showing you the weed that it's going to be top shelf. Y'all know I'm going to have some Green Dragon, some Alien Labs, some 710 Labs. Of course, it's going to be concentrates I'm going to be throwing in there around just Riverside and San Bernardino. I might go to Rialto.